Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a spinner. I'll start off by making a square base, so I'll fold my paper in half lengthways, and on the diagonal I'll go around in a circle with my paper, making these creases. I'm at my last diagonal fold, so I'll take one of the sides, I'll lift it up and squash it into a square, and then I'll flip over to the other side to do the same. I'll need to make 6 of these. Now for the rest of my sheets. I'll be making triangle bases, so I'll fold these on the diagonal and lengthways as well, and then I'll show you how to form the triangle base at the end. When I come up to the second vertical crease, I'll use the same kind of method. I'll use each side to open up and then flatten into shape. That's my bases sorted. Onto assembling. I'll be placing the square base over the top of the triangle base, and I want the corners to overlap the edges. Then I'll fold the corners inside, and this locks them into place. As you can see, I've got quite a few bases here, so I'll be making 6 in total of these. Once I've done that, I'll allow the triangle base to collapse into shape again. Grab 2 of your units and we're going to slot them together. You'll use the corners of the triangle bases and they'll lock in together like this. So by the time you put them all into each other, you'll only be able to see the colours of your square bases. You'll want to slot them together so you've got 2 triangular looking sections. The next part can be very fiddly, but I was just very much focused on forming that triangle and then assisting some of the triangle bases to stick out at 90-degree angles. As long as I kept that rule, I'm good. The last unit's really hard, but I got there eventually, just off camera. This is the completed model. You can activate it by holding it against your palms and giving it a little blow. It does the thing. It spins. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.